All right, today we're going to go over a little bit of information about how to rough in for a freestanding tub in a bathroom remodeling project. So what we have here is this valve. In Tampa, these valves are installed on a concrete slab, and most of these valves are not really made to go into a concrete slab. The designs of them are for more of the whole country, which usually they have like a wood subfloor. So in this situation here with this type of valve, this is a Kohler freestanding floor valve for a freestanding tub. We're going to lower it underneath the concrete. We're going to fasten it to some shoring and some blocking down there. And then when we pour it back in, it'll be ready for our trim out after the tile is installed. We also have relocated the drain for the old tub to the center of the new shower drain. And that drain right there, that's what we call a no-hub drain. That is the key to being able to set the tub down and have it be secured once we have the tile completed at the end of the job. For more information on freestanding tubs and rough ends, go to tampakitchenandbath.com.